A very warm welcome to all our viewers. I'm Devdeep Sinha, and today I have with me Mr. Rajiv Kabra. He is the founder and owner of Kabra Decorative Mosquito Guard Enterprises, as well as also he's a CA and CS. They are in the business of protecting our homes and workplaces from harmful insects and dust for more than 8 years now. Welcome to the conversation, sir.
Uh, Thanks, Devdeep, for such a nice introduction.
So, for the information of our viewers, Sir has his presentation on the 31st of July. And today I will be asking him certain questions to get more insights into his business and his brand. So,
Yes.
sir, can you please tell our audience what is the USP of your brand?
Devdeep, as far as the USP is concerned, we have everything is in-house, from concept to completion, as well as timely execution of the projects. We focus on how we can solve the problem of our client by understanding why they need, how they are planning to use the product, and the objective of requirement, and accordingly we guide them.
Okay, that's amazing. So, sir, who is your target audience?
Uh, uh, being very specific, our target audience are the door window fabricators, like who are making the sliding door and windows, who are into UPVC lines. Then home furnishing showrooms, to people who are selling wallpaper, curtain, blinds, vinyl flooring. Then hardware shop owners, interior architects, pest control companies, cold storages, hospitals, diagnosis centers, corona quarantine centers, food processing companies like dairy industry, bakery, distillery industry.
Okay, that's great. So, sir, what would be the focus of your presentation that is on 31st of July?
Yeah, a very good question. See, considering the corona era, our focus will be to make people understand how we can help them in maintaining the hygiene of their products and premises. Further, how we can help them in reducing the maintenance cost of their plant and machinery. Also, how they can protect themselves from the deadly diseases like dengue and malaria. Then, how our transparent partition curtains can help the doctors in mitigating the risk from corona.
Okay, that's great. So, sir, who do you think would benefit from your presentation?
Um, Considering the nature of our products, it is being widely used by most of the common people in general. But since we
Right.
are mostly into, I mean, like manufacturing, so our people who will benefit most are like the owners of the home furnishing line, people who are into door window fabricating line, then doctors who want to put transparent curtains in their chamber to protect themselves from corona patients, the hospitals, diagnosis centers, as well as the purchase manager of food processing companies, and last but not the least, owners of the pest control companies.
Okay, that's great. So, your answers were really insightful, sir. Thank you very much for your time.
Devdeep, I really thank to you for taking out the time and taking the interview. And further, I would just add on one more thing. I would request the viewers, since the corona is going on, so the presentation will be really important for them to understand how they can maintain the hygiene and all in their premises, wherever they are living or they are working.
Yeah, exactly. So, anyone, any business owner or entrepreneur who would like to interact directly with Rajiv sir or the room full of other successful business owners who are there with us can fill up the form that is there in the description and someone from the team will get in touch with you. Thank you very much, sir. I again extend my best wishes for your presentation. Thank you.
Thank you, Devdeep.